Gonna make a broccoli and quinoa salad with pistachio nuts. I put a tablespoon of salt in the water, and we're gonna very quickly blanch off the broccoli. And you say, why? You notice the green color? Watch what happens when we just quickly blanch it, and it's still gonna be crunchy. A little brighter green. Excuse me. Anyway, there's the broccoli. Next, I'm going to put in the quinoa. You could use whatever quinoa you like. I just chose the red one. Could be white. Cook the quinoa. I used 1/3 cup of raw, which will give me the amount of quinoa I want for the salad. So that takes care of that. And into this, actually a larger bowl, we have other ingredients to put in there, so we'll quickly get this video done. This was a loosely packed either parsley or cilantro. I chose cilantro. And then you just chop it a little bit, but it was a full 1/2 cup. So there's that. You want the red onion. The diced tomato. The balsamic vinegar. And I forgot what else I put in there. What went in there was anything that, and the mustard, balsamic vinegar and the mustard. Easier to dissolve the mustard in the vinegar. Virgin olive oil. A 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Supposed to be good for you. And 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, which is in there already. Anything else? Yes. That's why you should always have everything laid out on the table. Sometimes I forget something. And the slightly chopped pistachio nuts. There's something else laying around, of course. I knew there was a color missing. The red pepper. And that's it. Tossed, ready. That's it, good enough for 2 people with a little lettuce under it, which I forgot to do. So let me quickly get a little lettuce. I really don't like when I forget something. And okay, put this in a flat plate or a soup plate or a little bowl. And the only reason why I'm putting it into a flat plate, it's just for visibility. Actually, there's plenty enough here. This is enough for 4 people if you're serving a salad. And I guess my dog wants a little too. Well, there it is. Hope you enjoy it.